What if you can push a button and bam, you instantly make money? Yes, you heard it right. Push a button and cha-ching, you earn 50 cents. Sounds pretty cool, right? And what if you can repeat it for an unlimited time for every single day? Just imagine how much money you could be making by just simply using a mobile phone or computer, pressing on a few buttons, and making money without any skills or any experience. This strategy is 100% free and available worldwide. Please pay close attention to 2 special tips that I'll share with you throughout the video, because if you miss those tips, you will not make any money. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. But before that, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell for new money-making videos. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log in to your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google "Online Bank Account in My Country" and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. Now, before we go to the website and try to figure things out by yourself, I urge you to first watch this video because I explained a lot of things here, including how to sign up for free, plus bonus tips to make more money faster, and step-by-step examples. Now, the website that we are going to be using to make money online today is Paydera.com. Of course, you can do it on your mobile phone. You can do it on your computer. This is exactly what I love about this website. You can reach the minimum payout, which is $5. Just $5! You can begin to cash out your money instantly, and within 1 day, you can receive your payment. They have unlimited jobs that you can do every single day. There's no limit on how much money you want to earn per day. If you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll show you a secret trick that you can apply right away, and you can just click a few buttons and make more money over and over again. Now, as you can see here, there are many different things that you can do to make money on Paydera.com. You can sign up on different tasks. You can do surveys. You can upload videos. You can invite and refer friends to make extra money. You can write articles. You can do so many things all in just one single website. So, at the moment when I'm recording this video, they have this amount of members, millions of tasks completed, and this amount of money for their payouts sent out to people from all over the world. Make sure you stay tuned because I'll show you how you can earn money just like this. Check out this person from this country making some extra income from Paydera.com. Look at another one making this amount of dollars from Paydera.com. And they're so excited to share their experience. This is the payment proof that they actually receive. People from different countries, as you can see here, are making money over and over again on this website. I can literally just show you hundreds and hundreds of payment proofs, which means this is definitely working. In fact, I'm just curious where you are coming from. So just comment down below and let me know what is your country. This is definitely a good opportunity that anyone can start right now to start making money. Very important, if you want to sign up for a free account, just click on this blue button on top and you're gonna go on to this page. Create a free account and start making money. You can join today and make 15% more money compared to other people by following this method. You have to put in your name, username, your email, password, and just click on sign up and create my account. As simple as that. Now, once you've successfully signed up your account, you can begin to do some surveys. You can download apps, you can do tasks, you can invite your friends, upload videos. You can do so many things to make money, which I'll show you exactly how to do. Right now, real quick, I want to show you some of the examples. So once you're logged into your account, you can do surveys just like this and earn 40 cents, 50 cents, 35 cents. And there are a lot of services which you can do and unlimited surveys. They're refreshing new surveys every single day. So just click on the refresh button and you can see new services popping up. Now I know what you're thinking, right? The surveys here are just about 40 cents and 50 cents. It's not that a lot of money, but this is where the magic happens. I'm gonna give you a live demonstration and show you exactly how to press buttons and start making money. Let me show you one example using this survey. Just click on this one right here. Then click on this green button right here. And then you will go on to the page. You can start taking surveys right now by simply clicking on buttons. And the truth is that you don't have to actually answer any survey. Seriously, you just have to click on this blue button and then you're gonna load up on this website. Once it's finished loading, they're gonna begin to ask you questions. For example, the first question is this one right here. You just have to click on either one of these answers. Just simply click on whatever you want because it doesn't even matter, because they don't even care about your answer. And let's go down below and just click on the next button, the blue button right here. It's actually pretty hidden at the bottom of the website, so make sure you click on this red button, and then again, they're gonna load up on the website and show you this. So just scroll down to continue. You don't even have to answer anything on this page. You just have to scroll down to the very bottom of the website and just click on continue now. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The reason why I like this website is that every single button that you click, you can earn 50 cents. Just now, we've answered 2 questions, which means you have earned $1. Now for the next question, just simply click on whatever answer, click on them, and then scroll down below, click on the next button. You can do this for unlimited times every single day. Just scroll down below, then continue to answer more questions by clicking on the next button. So from there, I'll just go down to the very bottom of this page and repeat the same thing. And just click on continue. You can see here another 50 cents has been added instantly once I finish on this one. Again, just click on the button and scroll down below and click on next. I mean, you can just repeat the same process over and over again without actually answering any questions. Just click on the buttons. Now, if you want to make even more money, of course, you can repeat this for different surveys. They have hundreds and hundreds of surveys, and the best thing about this website is that once you finish the first 10 surveys, you are able to unlock surveys that earn double more money. But that's a special bonus tip that I've never seen other people talk about. For example, instead of 50 cents, you can actually make $1 for every survey. And when you do another 10 more surveys, you can make $2. So double your money again. You can keep on doubling the money for every 10 surveys that you do. So make sure you keep on continuing and doing the same process. And you might be thinking, why is this website actually paying you money by just clicking on buttons? Is it for real? Is it working? Or is it a scam? And the reason why they pay you money to press on the continue button is simply because they want to show you the ads on their website. Now when you look closely, they have one ad right here. Number 1. Number 2. There's another ad. And ad number 3. There's another ad right here. There are 3 ads in total on this website. And if you accidentally click on them, for example, this one, if I click on this, they are going to make money, and they want you to keep browsing on their pages and keep on clicking on the continue button because they try to hope that you might accidentally click on any of these ads, and boom, they're gonna make money. So basically, that's the truth behind that, and I've never seen other people talking about that as well to explain to you. But basically, if you want to save your time, make sure that you always scroll down to the very bottom of the website and just click on continue, and then you can repeat the same process over and over again. And sometimes they ask you some random questions. Just click on any of the answers or whatever. Just scroll down below and click on next. And this is how this website is making money as well. They want people like you and me to sign up, and then we press buttons. We do the surveys. We make money on this website. And as we do that, they're gonna make money as well using the paid advertisements on their website as well. So basically, that's a win-win situation. So the smart way to do this is just to ignore these ads, right? You don't even have to click on them since they just try to make it confusing. So just go down to the very bottom of the page and just click on the continue button. You can do a lot of different jobs on this website and make money over and over again by just clicking on the buttons. But there are a few questions that do want to answer right now because I know that a lot of you guys are coming from worldwide. So for this opportunity, all countries actually are accepted in it. You can work on this platform. You have access to everything with this website with no country restriction. Anyone can do this, and you can work as much as you want, and the more time that you put in it, the more service that you can do, and the more money you're going to earn, and you can be your own boss. Now, one last bonus tip is very important. Once you finish all of the surveys, you can keep on doing them right after that. You can just go on and hit on the refresh button, and you're gonna wait for new surveys to pop up. And you can continue to check them regularly, or you can receive a notification inside your account. and then they'll show you their new services that you can do. And the secret here is to just repeat the same process which I've shown you just now. Click on the continue button and keep on making money. This is actually very simple for you to get started.
And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.